Yeah,
There are two entrances to Coney Island. One is the one in Pasir area.
yeah, I ran over that bridge and then it pointed to the left and it said Coney Island 1.4 kilometers.
Right. That bridge is the way to Pasir.
Japanese.
Oh, does it tell you where which is food and which is not food?
I'm sure they've seen water.
Yeah, closer look. Maybe we could Ah, no. Like dogs. I wonder how they look at it.
Yeah, I've seen these news ridiculous.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I think it was together this week. It's my drink.
Eric, don't get bit.
It's mine.
went out?
No.
He's dead?
Hey, he's still there. Sorry. The sand made it slippery.
You know I got attacked by a bee there.
Oh, let me rinse them off. You can't even make picture of my new friend.
It's a video. We know this flower from the Philippines. It's called a flower.
Are you telling me to say that?
Yeah. No, I'm already recording you. You wanna show me?
Okay.
So this is, we find this in the Philippines. It's quite common. But I'm not gonna ask everybody what it's called because it's kinda vulgar. It's just, I think they're just cute. I have no exact explanation why I think it's cute, but it's just cute because they're so tiny. See? They're tiny, like really, really tiny leaves. See? It's just cute. I'm not sure why. I think someone explained it to me regarding like the color of the trees. That, I don't know, it just fascinates me why trees have these kind of color. You know what I mean? Like some trees, let me just try to compare what I'm talking here. So it's different. I mean, like the bark has a different color. But what I mean would be these kind of trees where they're like kind of reddish. So maybe some people have an explanation, or I might just have to research after we're done here.
Alright, maybe he'll come down. Ready?
Oh no, just open like a little bit. Like let me just peek.
He's all the way in the
there.
back. He's all the way in the back of my middle finger.
Okay. Woo! You don't know how to hold a grasshopper by the tail?
Have you seen how? Nah, it's little.
Ah,
That
okay.
damage the.
It's very, very little.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, Reika should be around here. Okay, show me.
Oh, very small, huh? It's really small.
Oh, it's too small. I was expecting a really huge
Yeah,
I
grasshopper.
Hurry, hurry, he's gonna jump.
Usually catch this one in Philippines.
Oh.
Jump.
Did you get a picture?
So look,
Maybe
look
there's
what
something-
happens when you actually touch them. They're very, very, very sensitive. Woo. I'm sorry. Ooh. I've never seen makahiya as big as these. I don't know what it's called in the local language, but look. How come they don't close? Oh, it's not the same type of leaves.
There's even called 200 kilometers or 400 kilometers, and then
Way.
they will do it for how many days? 4 days. Yeah.
Think about it. It's gonna take me 6 hours to run 42.
If your target is 6 hours, then I think you can survive without those ceremonies. If your target is 6 hours.
I think my target's gonna be 5.
Oh.
That's what I'm gonna target.
I think you can.
I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it, but I think I need to run it first just to kind of know how I.
They're under 42.
Yeah, to know how to, I gotta run it first.
No. It's not advisable.
What?
It's not advisable to
No, I
run
mean, I
quick.
think
I'm not even doing it. The time that I only do I do 42 is during the run itself. You know why? Because the body after 32, that's the time that will.
No, I mean, I need to actually, not
Run the
run it to
42?
train. I mean, to actually just run it before I realize what I need to change to make it
Oh,
better.
okay. You run on your own
Feel
strategy, yes.
better.
Okay.
Because I'm like, all right, well, around 25K,
Yeah.
my mouth was dry and I had to pee. Okay, now I kind of know what I need to adjust to try to.
My context though is if you, in case, because this is a common fault for runners. If you are running 42, you train by doing 42. It's not good.
That's too much.
It's too much to do 42.
Because I ran just 15 when I ran out here. And
Yeah.
like my shins were splinting, my
Uh-huh.
left ankle was starting to get swollen.
Yeah,
My
yeah.
right knee, and I'm just like, I couldn't run. How often would you train running 22? Every day. You know what I mean?
You mean asking me or you're saying?
No, I'm like anybody. If they're,
Oh,
training,
yeah, yeah.
if they're running 42, it's by training 42.
No.
What are they running 42 every other day? Still not gonna find it. Did I?
I didn't know.
Let me see if I can find it. It was on my bed. Well, we got a hotel room,
Yes?
and we walked into the hotel room.